How to withdraw Alpha Network coin to Trust Wallet. So let's get started. So first thing to do is basically open Trust Wallet or the app itself and log in to your account. Now from your account, you can tap on the DApps browser at the bottom of the screen. So in the app, you can see a DApps button. Simply just tap that button. Now in the search bar, you can also enter the Alpha Network URL, which is the Alpha Network coin. So basically in the search bar, just type the Alpha Network and then simply just click that option. And then follow the prompts to add the Alpha Network token to your wallet. Now, once you've done that, you can now simply send and receive Alpha by tapping and swiping the Alpha asset on your home screen. So enter the wallet address you'd like to send Alpha to, which is basically your Trust wallet. Enter the wallet address of your Trust wallet account, and then hit send. And now you can also share your wallet address, which is found in the Trust Wallet app, and to receive Alpha from friends and family or other wallets. It's that simple. So basically, you just have to copy the address on your Trust Wallet account and then paste it on the Alpha Network coin, and that's how you can basically add or transfer or withdraw Alpha Network coin to Trust Wallet.